Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best bug and tar removers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Armor All Car Bug and Tar Cleaner. The Armor All brand has been around for, several epochs. This extension of the brand removes bugs, tar, and bird shit from the paintwork of your pride and joy. In a fit of practicality, it is also said to work on glass, just don't forget to give it a final buff after application. Like the Meguiars product that takes up residence in your author's arsenal, this Armor All spray can be used for spot cleaning or as a pre-wash treatment. Cross-promotion being the cornerstone of marketing, the seller notes that it will also preserve wax protection, Armor All Wax, of course. Features: cleans bugs, tar and bird droppings. Streak-free formula: if used on glass, rotate to clean a portion of the microfiber towel for a final buff. Preserves wax protection. Safe for exterior finishes when used as directed. Can be used on soils for spot cleaning, or used as a pre-treatment prior to washing. Pros: well-known name, positive reviews. Cons: needs the addition of elbow grease. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chemical Guy's Bug and Tar Heavy Duty Car Washington. This product is formulated as a pre-wash concentrate to remove squashed bugs from windshields, grills, hoods, bumpers, and headlights without harming the car's paint. Note that it's a concentrate and should be treated as such. In other words, don't pour this directly on the car. 3 caps full of this stuff are sufficient to make a gallon of wash liquid. This product can also be diluted to a lesser amount and sprayed directly onto specific areas such as the bonnet and or the lower half of the car and wheels, left for about 30 seconds then hose down, thus making the whole wash process much easier. Features: excellent for dried, squashed bugs on windshields, grills, hoods, bumpers and headlights. Quick and easy way to loosen debris and wash them away without laborious rubbing and scrubbing. Fast and effective shampoo and degreaser in one. Heavy-duty all-purpose shampoo for tar, grease, road grime and film. Pros: professional-grade strength. Cons: you gotta find water with which to cut it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Turtle Wax Power Foam Bug and Tar Remover. Your author remembers Turtle Wax as one of the first fancy brands of car care he ever saw being used by his father's gearhead friends. Since my ungrateful offspring regularly point out that I'm older than time itself, I decided to look up when the company was founded. Wanna guess? Nope, it's older than that. Try 1941. This foam will take care of bugs and tar splatter without the need for any additional soap and water. Simply shake the can well and spray on a light layer of product. For bugs, instructions say to leave it on for about a minute before wiping it off with a microfiber cloth. Up to 3 minutes should do the trick for tougher stuff like stuck-on tar. Features: included components, unit, instruction guide. Manufacturer, Turtle Wax. Auto and truck maintenance. Country of manufacture, United States. Pros: just spray and wipe. Cons: size and volume of the can. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Adam's Bug Remover Combo. This brand does a good job of simple but recognizable branding. Most of its spray bottles are the same, transparent in appearance and showing the color of the product inside. In a tremendous example of doing exactly what it says on the label, Adams describes the product in tall, white on black Helvetica lettering. If you mix this stuff up for dashboard cleaner, that's on you. This is a water-based, high-sudsing formula that contains co-solvents and other ingredients to aid in the breakdown of bug bodies and remnants. It is said to be safe on painted surfaces, plastic bumpers, and glass. As an aside, it's not totally clear if the microfiber mitt shown in several promotional images is included with the spray, though the addition of the word combo is a good indicator. Contact the seller to be certain. Features. This heavy-duty cleaner is designed to target and break down remnants before your wash process. This water-based, high-sudsing formula contains co-solvents and other ingredients to aid in breakdown and cleaning. Safe on painted surfaces, plastic bumpers, and glass. Breaks down and dissolves contaminants on contact. Use during the wash process or on a dry vehicle. 110% satisfaction guarantee and USA made. Pros. What it says on the bottle: smells like grape. Cons. Is that mid included? Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Seafoam Bugs Be Gone Cleaner. Here's a product that is provided in a spray bottle but does need water to be activated. In other words, think of it as a pre-treatment to be used before you wash the car. According to the ad, it chemically neutralizes acidic bug remains, a feature of the little critters which makes it so important to get them off your car's paint as quickly as possible. Overall ratings are good for this product, with a few complainants carping about its inability to perform as advertised. Your author thinks this may be a case of user error, one in which the person did not RTFM and expected this product to work straight out of the bottle. Customers who are slightly more switched on report better results. Pros. Plenty of positive feedback, handy spray bottle design. Cons. Requires a spritz of water. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.